and that he created man to serve his purposes, among which is service to others in his name. We believe that care for the less fortunate, especially children who suffer from burns and crippling disease, is our institutional calling. We are patriots, each willing to serve his country with fidelity and courage. We cherish independence under law and freedom with responsibility. We honor family. We respect our parents, wives, and children. We should instill in our children the tenets of this creed and the heritage from which it emanates. As individuals, we pledge ourselves to fidelity. No, we pledge to integrity, virtue, and nobility of character. Our intentions will be honorable. Our relationship will be trustworthy. And our spirits forgiving of each other. As brothers, we offer each other fraternal affection and respect. Together, we will support each other in adherence to this creed, so that we and our community will be the better because our fraternity and its principles. As Shriners, we look beyond ourselves to serve the needs of others, especially children who cannot help themselves. We believe that Shriners Hospitals to be the world's great philanthropy, and we covenant with each other to serve as temples of mercy with spirit, time, talent, and means. That's a Shrine Creed.